Welcome my dear students. This is your math class of day 6. I am going to teach about your chapter number 4, which is quadratic equation. Chapter number 4, quadratic equation. देखो, in previous class or previous chapter you learn about linear equation or pair of linear equation, the equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 1. Now we just learn about quadratic equation. देखो, quadratic equation, the equation in which the maximum power of the variable, the equation in which the maximum power of the variable, the equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 2 is called quadratic equation. Confirm this. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Okay. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Confirm. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. If a became 0, then this term became 0 and this quadratic equation reduced to linear equation. Confirm this. Here a, b, c are real numbers and x is the variable. Okay. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Then, if we solve this linear equation, quadratic equation as maximum power here 2, we get two solutions. Okay. So, first we discuss about the roots or solution of this equation. देखो, standard form you get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. If we solve this, then we have get two roots or two solution of this equation. Okay. और first time देखो, quadratic equation can be solved by different methods. तो first one जैसे, तो first we solve by first into last method or splitting middle term factor method, we able to solve or we able to find the value of x. Second one, we change this or we solve this by completing square method, and third one here we solve by applying the quadratic formula. Okay. Let the quadratic formula जो होगा, देखो, in this case, in quadratic formula case, तो x का value here x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root divide by 2a. x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root divide by 2a. This is the quadratic formula, and this also known as the Sridhar-Acharya formula. Okay. देखो, this, okay, if alpha and beta are two zeros, if alpha and beta are two zeros, if alpha and beta are two zeros of the quadratic equation, then in that two zeros or two solutions, in that case alpha equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac का square root divided by 2a, beta equal to minus b square minus 4ac का square root divided by 2a. Understand this? देखो तो ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the standard form of quadratic equation. तो from this, तो ax equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root by 2a, which is known as quadratic formula or Sridhar-Acharya formula. If alpha and beta are two zeros or two solutions of this equation, so from the plus minus 2 से we take alpha equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac का square root by 2a, beta equal to minus b square minus 4ac का square root by 2a. Our first aim to prove that ax equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Most important formula, okay, ax equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, देखो in this case we solve this by completing square method. देखो completing square method का first option here, first point, you move constant term from left to right side. You move constant term from left to right side. देखो in this case, तो first so we have to prove that ax equal, देखो our aim, तो first condition here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. From this equation we have to calculate, so we have to prove that ax equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root by 2a. Okay, so first you write here given equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and this can be solved by completing square method process. So first our aim to move this constant term from left to right side. देखो तो you get here ax square plus bx equal to minus c. ax square plus bx equal to minus c. Confirm this. After this you multiply 4a on both sides. Okay, you write here multiplying 4a on both sides. Multiplying 4a on both sides, we have get. Okay, so 4a into ax square plus bx equal to minus c into 4a. Now you multiply 4a into ax square, you get 4a square x square, 4abx equal to minus 4ac. देखो after this, as completing square method, as it comes in a plus b का whole square structure or a minus b का whole square structure. Okay, this one first term and this here a, and this is the term for 2ab. From this term you find the value of b. Okay, so 4a square x square तो can be written as 2ax का whole square, plus 2 into a का value 2ax and b का value here देखो, if we multiply 2 to the 4abx, so you just reduce or try to bring in the structure and you get here minus 4ac. देखो a square प्लस 2ab हो गया, तो यू गेट b here b, okay. Then after finding b, you add b square on both sides. Adding b square on both sides, we have get, देखो इधर b तो यू राइट b स्क्वायर, सपोज इधर 2b होगा तो 2b स्क्वायर, सपोज इधर 4 होगा तो 4 स्क्वायर, ओके, और इधर -8 होगा तो -8 का स्क्वायर. इन दिस केस यू जस्ट डू दिस टाइप, ओके. एडिंग b स्क्वायर ऑन दिस प्रोसेस यू गेट 2ax का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 2ax इंटू b प्लस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. We add b square on both sides, okay. देखो स्ट्रक्चर हियर, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b का होल स्क्वायर. So you write here 2ax plus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. Now 2ax plus b इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का स्क्वायर रूट. देखो स्क्वायर रूट एक्सेप्ट मेंसुरेशन यू ऑलवेज टेक स्क्वायर रूट. व्हेन यू कैलकुलेट स्क्वायर रूट यू राइट प्लस माइनस साइन. इफ यू डोंट यूज हियर प्लस माइनस साइन यू नेवर गेट टू सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. सो दिस वन यू राइट प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का स्क्वायर रूट. किसका वैल्यू 2ax प्लस b का वैल्यू. सो ओनली 2ax इक्वल टू, देखो प्लस b मूव्स टू दिस साइड, माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का स्क्वायर रूट. सो ओनली x इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का स्क्वायर रूट डिवाइड बाय 2a. प्रूव्ड हो गया. x इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का स्क्वायर रूट बाय 2a. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फॉर्मूला, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस इट, ओके. देखो कम टू एक्सरसाइज 4.1. एक्सरसाइज 4.1 का नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन हियर. चेक व्हेदर द फॉलोइंग आर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. चेक व्हेदर द फॉलोइंग आर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. देखो बिफोर दिस यू जस्ट रिमेंबर or you just think what is the definition of quadratic equation. The equation in which the maximum power of the variable, the equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 2 is called quadratic equation. It's called quadratic equation. देखो नंबर 1 का सपोज इधर आई भी x माइनस 3 इंटू 2x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू x इंटू x प्लस 5. क्वेश्चन हियर व्हेदर इट इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और नॉट. व्हेदर इट इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और नॉट. देखो x माइनस 3 होल इंटू 2x प्लस 1 equal to x into x plus 5. x into x plus 5. You try to simplify this. देखो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई होगा. x मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2x plus 1, then minus 3 multiply with 2x plus 1, you get x into x plus 5. x into x plus 5. Now x into 2x you get 2x square, x into 1 x, minus 6x minus 3 equal to x square plus 5x. Now 2x square minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x. You bring all the terms from right to left sides, okay. देखो 2x square minus x square you get x square, minus 5x minus x 5x minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. वो सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो गया. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन तो देन यू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल. देखो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन यू गेट द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज 2. as maximum value of this variable is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. In this way, so you solve rest of this question देखो all the terms, first you solve this and then takes all the terms to left side. If you get in left side, right side became 0 and left side में each term का तो simplification value का maximum power of the variable became 2, then that became quadratic equation. Otherwise except 2, that never be quadratic equation. Okay, try to practice rest of the questions. Okay, number 2 का question here, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. देखो only in the form of quadratic equation से convert करना है, you need not to solve this, only you try to convert into quadratic equation. देखो the area of a rectangular plot is 528. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. देखो in this case we take only one variable. You need not take two variable here x and y. तो इधर condition here, the length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of the breadth. जिसका value less you take that should be x. As length is तो 1 more than twice the breadth. So as the breadth here small, you write let breadth. Number 2 का first I let breadth be x meter. Breadth be x meter. So length equal to, देखो question here, the length is 1 more than twice the breadth. आज breadth here x, उसका twice होगा तो 2x and 1 more means 1. देखो you get breadth equal to x, length equal to 2x plus 1 and area of rectangle, formula length into breadth, so 2x plus 1 into x, you get here 2x square plus x, you get, तो rectangle का area here 2x square plus x, but given here area 528, so according to question, तो एरिया देखो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x, दिस इक्वल टू 528 implies 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x minus 528 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Confirm this. Okay, is the required quadratic equation this. Now come to second bit. देखो second bit, in case of second bit, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. देखो product of two consecutive integers here एक तो 306. Let the smaller number be x and उसका consecutive होगा x plus 1. Listen, you write let the first integer be x and its consecutive positive integer होगा तो x plus. देखो x का consecutive x plus 1 or x minus 1. As it is positive, you just move to forward. If you move backward x minus 1, in that case you may face to negative. As positive given, so you always move to left, right or forward. So you write let the first integer be x, so its next consecutive integer is be x plus 1. X is the positive integer, x plus 1 is next consecutive positive integer. But question here, the product of two consecutive integer, you get two integer, or a product of this consecutive integer is 306. So you write here according to question, x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1 equal to 306, x into x plus 1 equal to 306. So x into x square plus x into 1 x equal to 306. Now x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This equation 1. This is your required equation. Okay. Now come to third bit. Number 2 का third bit here. देखो Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age in years 3 years from now, okay, will be 360. देखो in this case you take let present age of Rohan, okay, let Rohan's present age equal to s. Rohan's present age be x, okay. तो his mother's present age be x plus 26. क्यों ना his mother is 26 years older than him. आज रोहन का प्रेजेंट ईयर x तो उसका मदर का प्रेजेंट एज होगा x plus 26. So after 3 years, okay, 3 years, after 3 years Rohan will be x plus 3 and his mother will be x plus 26. उसका प्रेजेंट एज था, देन 3 ऐड होगा which equal to x plus 29. But question here, after 3 years the product of their age will be 360. देखो after 3 years you get रोहन का एज x plus 3 and his mother का एज x plus 29. So their product after 3 years according to question x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 306 equal to 360. Confirm this. Now you multiply x into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Now x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 equal to 360. Then x square, देखो 29x plus 3x, तो you get here तो 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Now x square plus 32x minus 10 minus 7 3, तो here 15 minus 8 7, this 2 equal to 0. This the required quadratic equation. Okay, and rest I will you try to simplify. Okay, then come to exercise 3.2. Sorry, 4.2. Come to exercise 4.2. देखो एक्सरसाइज 4.2 का कंडीशन, फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन और दो स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म. ओके, देखो बाय फैक्टराइजेशन प्रोसेस, तो नंबर एक्सरसाइज 4.2 का नंबर 1 का फर्स्ट बिट हियर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 10 इक्वल टू 0. देखो इन दिस केस तो फर्स्ट इंटू लास्ट मेथड अप्लाई होगा. एक्स स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट हियर 1 into 10 here 10, product here 10 and their difference here 3. So 5 2s are 10, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 2 equal to 3, but here 3 minus here, so you write 2 minus 5. You get here x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Now x कॉमन होगा तो x plus 2 minus 5 कॉमन के बाद x plus 2 equal to 0. बोथ से x plus 2 कॉमन होगा तो then x minus 5 equal to 0. वो फैक्टर हो गया. आज it is quadratic, you faces two factors here. Okay, so product of two term here 0, first one 0 or second one 0. First one here x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 5 moves to this. So the solution is minus 2. But sorry, वो हो गया. तो second bit here, सब दिस वन फर्स्ट आई. नाउ कम टू थर्ड पॉइंट. नंबर 1 का थर्ड बिट. देखो नंबर 1 का थर्ड बिट हियर √2x² प्लस 7x प्लस 5√2 इक्वल टू 0. √2x² प्लस 7x प्लस 5√2 इक्वल टू 0. प्रोडक्ट करो √2 इंटू 5√2. √2 इंटू √2 10. 5√2 इंटू √2 होगा तो 10 यू गेट. √2 इंटू √2 2. 2 5 से मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा 10. ओके, प्रोडक्ट हियर 10 एंड सम हियर 7. सेम 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 7. So you get here √2x² plus 5x plus 2x plus 5√2 equal to 0. फर्स्ट देखो √2x² plus 5x both से you take here, तो 5x x common. If you take common x, so you get here √2x plus 5. देखो 2 मीन्स उसका इनसाइड में तो डबल √2 है. √2 into √2 2. So you try to take common √2 common, you get √2x plus 5 equal to 0. So √2x plus 5 both से common होगा तो x plus √2 equal to 0. Product of two terms 0. First one 0 or second one 0 or both are 0. You get √2x plus 5 equal to 0 implies √2x equal to minus 5 implies x equal to minus 5 by √2. देखो as denominator here √2, you just rationalize it. Minus 5 into √2 by √2 into √2 which equal to minus 5 √2 by 2. And second case here x plus √2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus √2. You get two solution. Okay, and come to IV point. IV देखो तो 2x² minus x plus 1/8 equal to 0. देखो this is not standard form. You try to take the LCM. तो LCM here 8 in 8 2 से मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा 16x² minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Then 16x² minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0 into 8 equal to 0. Okay, now product here 16 and their sum here 8. Product 16 and their sum here 8. कोई टर्म है? Yes. तो 4 4 is 16. Then 4 plus 4 here 8. You write 16x² minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So 4x common के बाद you get here 4x minus 1. Then minus 1 common के बाद 4x minus 1 equal to 0. तो then 4x minus 1 common के बाद 4x minus 1 equal to 0. तो 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 4x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1 by 4. Second case 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 4x equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 4. You get two equation. X equal to two solution. X equal to 1 by 4 and x equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Next तो नंबर 3 देखो. तो find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Find two number whose sum is 27. You write. तो given number 3. Find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. You write. Let the first number be x. Let first number be x. As sum is 27, so second number be 27 minus x. Understand this? So first number be x and second number be 27 minus x. 27 minus x. Okay. The product of two number is 180. You already get here two number. One is x and second one is 27 minus x. Product of this two number is 182. So according to question, you write x into 27 minus x. X into 27 minus x equal to 182. Equal to 182. इसे multiply करो 27 into x 27x minus x into x square equal to 182. You move all the term to right side. So 0 equal to 182 minus x square moves to plus x square and then plus 27 moves minus 27. Now x square minus 27x plus 180 equal to 0. This is your required quadratic equation and you solve by factorization process. Okay. So here product 180 and sum here 27. Okay. You just try to solve it by factorization method. Next, number 4. To find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. देखो 5 two consecutive integers. Let the first integer be x. So its next consecutive integer होगा तो x plus 1. You get two integers, one is x and its next one is x plus 1. X plus 1. Okay. So first x, then x plus 1. Then according to question, the sum of whose square means first का square and second का square plus x plus 1 का square is equal with 365. Is equal with 365. देखो x का square, you put this a plus b का whole square, a का square, x का square, b का square होगा 1 का square plus 2ab होगा 2x equal to 365. Okay, x square plus x square 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 equal to 0. You get 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Minus 364. This equation is the required equation and you solve. So this by factorization, product here 364 and their subtraction here 2. You first try to prime factorize this and you adjust and find two numbers whose product is 364 and difference is 2. Then you solve it. Confirm? Okay. Then come to number 5. Number 5. देखो here is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle का this angle 90. तो A, B, C. तो question here, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than the base. Suppose you let तो base be x. तो base को हमें ले x. The altitude here, altitude means height. तो height here, तो 7 cm less than its base. तो base is 7 cm less. Base here x or 7 cm less means x minus 7. And its hypotenuse is 30. H here, hypotenuse here 13. Hypotenuse here 13 cm. This x minus 7. As it is a right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, so p square plus b square equal to h square. So here x minus 7 का whole square plus x का square equal to 13 का square. Understand this? तो base का square plus height का square equal to hypotenuse का square. This is applicable for or this is the तो Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So here a minus b का whole square apply करना है. A square 7 का square 49 minus 2 into 7 into x minus 14x plus x square 13 का 169. Okay. X square plus x square you get 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x minus 9 0 6 minus 4 2 and this 120 equal to 0. This equation, this is the required equation and product here 120, difference here 14. You just try to solve this. Okay. Then number 6. देखो number 6 here. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and cost of each particle. देखो तो number of articles produced and the cost of each particle. Observe that the cost of production is each particle was 3 times that, twice the number of article produced. Okay, you write here, let number of production of articles be x. Number of production of article be x. So then the price of each article, price of each article. देखो price of each article it will be 3 more than twice the number of article produced. तो number of article here x, उसका twice होगा तो 2x and 3 more means 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. तो price of each article produced will be 2x plus 3. देखो number of article x, price of each article you get 2x plus 3. So total price, total cost in one day equal to x into 2x plus 3, which equal to 2x square plus 3x, 2x square plus 3x. देखो the total cost you get 2x square plus 3x, but according to question that total cost is equal with 90. So according to question 2x square plus 3x equal to 90 implies 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. You get this equation and solve by factorization process. Okay, now solution of quadratic, this exercise 4.2 is over now. So solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method. देखो solution of quadratic equation by completing square method. In this method I discussed before this. देखो in completing square method, first step you move constant term from left to right side. First step, remember this, you move constant term from left to right side. Second case, you find the value of a, you find the value of a. After finding the value of a, then you calculate 4a, then you calculate 4a. Okay, then in second case you multiply 4a on both side of numerator and denominator, sorry, on both side of this equation, on both side of this equation. Confirm this. After this you find b and adding b square on both side and then you solve this. Okay, now we solve this, the system of the equation by completing square method. Come to exercise 4.3. देखो number 1 condition here, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if it exists. देखो exist के लिए condition here, before this we just discuss. देखो the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, and so d equal to b square minus 4ac, d equal to b square minus 4ac, and d is known as discriminant, d is known as discriminant. If d is greater than 0 or d equal to 0, if d greater than 0 or d equal to 0, then solution exists. We are able to find this solution. But if a solution exists, but if d less than 0, then solution does not exist. Okay, और एक बार, तो if first you test d का formula, d is known as discriminant and denoted by capital D, and d का formula here b square minus 4ac, So if d greater than 0, d greater than 0 means positive. If d comes as positive or d equal with 0, in that case solution of that quadratic equation is exist. Okay. But if d less than 0, that means if d negative, in that case solution does not exist. Understand this? So remember this formula. If d greater than 0 or d equal to 0, then solution exist. Solution exist. Or d less than 0, in that case solution does not exist. Okay. So in first case, तो एक्सरसाइज 4.3 का नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन अच्छी फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द रूट्स सॉल्यूशन बोथ आर सेम. तो फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन इफ दे एग्जिस्ट बाय द मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर. बाय द मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर इफ दे एग्जिस्ट. देखो क्वेश्चन here number 1 you write given the equation here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So here a is the coefficient of x square, a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. Okay, so first you find d equal to formula b square minus 4s. So b का वैल्यू here minus 7 का स्क्वायर 4 into a का वैल्यू 2 and c का वैल्यू here 3 minus 7 का स्क्वायर 49 4 2 जा 8 8 3 जा 24 which equal to 25. देखो you get d equal to 25. So आज d आज 25 here positive, as d greater than 0 positive, as d greater than 0, so solution exist. Solution exist. If solution exist, then you solve by completing square method. देखो you solve this now completing square method. In this case, the first equation here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So we solve this by completing square method. Our first question, we have to take the constant term from left to right side. Okay, 2x square minus 7x equal to minus 3. 2x square minus 7x equal to minus 3. Okay, then you find, so here a equal to 2, x square का coefficient, here a equal to 2, as a equal to 2, then 4a equal to 4 into 2, you get 8. After finding 8, so second step you multiply 4a on both sides. So as 4a you get 8, so you write here multiplying 8 on both side. On both side we have get. So 8 into 2x square minus 7x equal to minus 3 into 8. देखो 8 multiplication के बाद you get here 16x square minus 8 7 जा 56x equal to minus 8 3 जा 24 minus 24. Okay, then second step complete, then you come to third stage. In third stage you find b from this term. देखो इधर 16x square can be written as 4x का whole square minus 2 into a here this, a here 4x. Okay, and you find b. देखो इधर 2 4 जा 8x, but इधर minus 50, 8 into dash equal to 56, 8 into 7, so you write here 7, you get here 7 equal to minus 24. Confirm? देखो from this term, this is the most important term, from this term we change or split into 2ab structure. So a here 4x and b here 7. A square minus 2ab equal to minus 24. Okay. After finding, देखो b here 7, in next step adding b square on both sides means b here 7 adding 7 का square in both side we have get, so 4x का square minus 2 into 4x into 7, 2 into 4x into 7, then 7 का square equal to minus 24 plus 7 का square. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square, so a minus b का whole square, 4x minus 7 का whole square equal to minus 24 plus 7 का square 49, which is equal to 25. Now 4x minus 7 equal to 25, because square moves to this side, it became square root, and you write here plus 25 का square root 5, as square root we take plus minus, so we write here plus minus. If you don't put plus minus sign, you never to find two solution here. Okay, so only 4x equal to minus 7 moves to this side, became plus 7 plus minus root plus minus 5. Okay, now x equal to 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Now alpha equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3, and beta equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Confirm this? Okay. Because after this, number 2, find the root of the quadratic equation given by applying the quadratic formula method. देखो this one complete by completing square method. So after this number 2 का question here, you solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, which one is, तो x square. देखो first option same process, number 2 you write given equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, and we solve this equation by the quadratic formula, which one is x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root divided by 2a. So first number 2 you write here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. Okay, so you write x का formula, you must write formula x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का square root divided by 2a. Okay, now minus b का value here minus 7 plus minus b का square minus 7 का square minus 4 into a का value here 2 and c का value here 3 का square root divide by 2 into a का value 2, minus into minus plus 7 plus minus minus का 7 49, minus 7 का square 49 minus 4 2 जा 8 3 जा 24 का square root, 2 2 जा 4, which is equal to 7 plus minus 5 plus minus 25 का square root by 4, which is equal to 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Okay, then alpha equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3, and beta equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, which equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. देखो if suppose at the time of calculation you get here तो minus 25 का square, तो in this case you don't write, तो आज b square minus 4ac less than 0, so solution does not exist, solution does not exist. Either this term equal to 0 or greater than 0, it never be negative. If negative comes, so you write there is no real roots of this equation. Okay, तो number 3 देखो, number 3 का फर्स्ट बिट x minus 1 by x equal to 3. देखो x का LCM होगा x and that x multiply with 3x, x square minus 1 equal to 3. Now x square minus 1 x, this x multiply into 3, you get 3x. Now x square plus 3x moves to this side, minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, and you solve by any method, either completing square method or by using the quadratic formula method. Okay. And second, you also take the LCM and find the rest. Come to number 4. Number 4. देखो question here, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Then find the present age. So you write, let the present age, let Rahman's present age be x year. Be x year. देखो according to question, the sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age in 3 years ago. अच्छा, तो x प्रेजेंट एज x होगा तो उसका 3 years ago मीन्स x minus 3, उसका रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स 1/x minus 3 प्लस एंड 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, उसका प्रेजेंट एज x होगा तो 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ होगा x plus 5 एंड उसका रेसिप्रोकल 1/x plus 5. The sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. So you get here 1/3. You take LCM here x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now इसे divide होगा तो x minus 3 cancel, you get here x plus 5 and that x plus 5 multiply with 1, you get here x plus 5 plus x plus 5 here cancel, x minus 3 left होगा and that multiply with x plus x minus 3 equal to 1/3. देखो x plus x you get 2x, 5 minus 3 here 2, okay, divide by इससे multiply करो, x into x x square, तो x into 5 5x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 1/3. इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, देखो x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 3x सिंगल टर्म होगा तो 2x, सो x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 15 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 and 3 multiply with 2x plus 2. Now x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 6x plus 3 2 is 6. Now x square plus 2x plus 6x moves to this side minus 6x minus 15 plus 6 moves to this side minus 6 equal to 0. So x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. This is the equation, and from this equation you solve by any method, by factorization or by formula. Okay, and rest of you try to do it. Okay, if doubt then solve this by, then call me, and rest part only one part left to nature of roots. Okay, तो come to nature of roots. देखो before going to nature of root, first we find discriminant d who is equal to b square minus 4ac. If greater than 0 you get two distinct roots. If d equal to b square minus 4ac तो equal to 0, then two equal real roots. If d equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots. Okay, देखो तो first you try to find d equal to b square minus 4ac. If greater than 0 we get two distinct real roots. D equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0 we get two equal roots, and if d equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0 we get no real roots. Okay, come to exercise 4.2. देखो exercise 4.4. तो number 1, find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If real root exist then find them. Then देखो you get two method, तो factorization or completing and then either factorization or completing method or by using the formula. Okay, so if real root exists, okay, then you solve this. So you just remember that if d, which जिसका formula b square minus 4ac, if d b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that means positive, you get two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0 means negative, so in that case we have get no real roots. Okay, so exercise 4.4, exercise 4.4, you just mark here 2x square first I minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. First we have to calculate the nature of roots. Okay, so you write here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. So b square minus 4ac you just calculate, d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b का value here minus 3 का square, minus 4 into a का value 2 and c का value here 5. Minus 3 का square plus 9, then minus 4 2 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40. So you get here minus 31. Okay, which one is less than 0? Okay, as negative, all negative terms are less from 0, so d less than 0, d less than 0. So you write as d less than 0, so there is no real roots. You need not to move forward here. But if you get d greater than 0 or equal to 0, then you proceed to next step and you find the value of x. Okay, if you get d less than 0, you need not to proceed. If you get d greater than 0 or equal to 0, then you proceed to either any method, okay, and then solve by using any one method out of three method, factorization method or completing square method or by using the quadratic formula. देखो next question here, find the value of k for which each of the following quadratic equation so there have two equal roots. Number 2, come to number 2. Equation here 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. Okay, so a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. C equal to 3. Okay. In this case, so we have get two equal roots. So you write for two equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, b का value here k का square minus 4 into 2 into c here 3 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2 जा 8 3 जा 24 equal to 0 implies k square equal to 24 implies k equal to 24 का square root plus minus okay देखो 24 factorization होगा तो 2 12 then 2 6 okay plus minus 2 root 6 alpha equal to plus 2 root 6 and beta equal to minus 2 root 6. Okay, so this is chapter number 4 over. You try to complete next of the rest of question. If doubt, then call me. Okay, and just say the numbers in my next class. I just try to discuss. Okay, so your doubt questions. Okay, and this much. Thank you.